Hey guys, welcome back to Inchworm Gardens. Today's variety spotlight, we'll be talking about dragon tongue beans. There's the plants right there. Let's go in for a closer look.
All right, so this is a bush variety. That means they grow low down to the ground in a bush habit. That's in contrast to like a pole bean that would grow up a trellis and need some support. These you can easily cram into a small space like this. I think I have 12 or 16 plants in this 1 foot space. And here's what the beans look like. They're characterized by that cool purple striping. Isn't that neat? Super prolific. Has these really pretty little purple flowers that then turn into a tiny little bean like this. And in a few days, they'll just get bigger and bigger. You can eat them at any stage. And I think around this size, about 5 inches or so, it's a nice tender time to eat them. That one's a little small. So you can eat them like a snap bean, meaning you eat the whole pod just like it is, with the beans still not fully matured. Or you can grow them until the beans mature, and you can eat them like you would some other types of beans, I guess. This is what they look like. See? Really pretty brown color. And you just pop those in the hole, water them. They grow super fast, super easy. And if you're new to gardening, I would suggest growing beans just because they're so simple. They take no other care than that. You just keep them well watered, give them good sunlight, and they produce like crazy. So there you go, dragon tongue beans. Let's do a quick little taste test. All right, here we go. Wow, super sweet bean flavor. I think beans are one of those veggies that taste completely different when you grow them yourself, homegrown. Really juicy, real light in the inside. See, it's almost like a real light yellow green. I guess I haven't eaten too many other beans just fresh like this. You usually cook them, but really, really tasty. When you do cook them, the striping does go away and they just turn a pale green color. I think tonight we are going to harvest a bunch of these and probably just steam them with some butter and salt. So I'll, at the end of this, show you a little picture of how that turned out. But super, super tasty. And just really cool. Here's 2 big ones here. Just a really pretty plant. Really pretty bean. A lot of fun to grow. So there you go, guys. It's something you can totally grow. Pick up a pack of seeds. I got these from Baker Creek. And you can be growing these beans yourself. All right, that's it. Thanks so much for watching. See you on the next one.